Hello, welcome back to today's session. Today we are going to practice simple past tense. And now I would like to ask you a few questions which we have done in the previous session. In the previous session, we have completed present tense and with the reference of a few points. What do you learn in the present tense? When do we use the present tense and the structure of the present tense we learned. So in the structure of the present tense, what we are having subject plus verb or verb plus yes or yes plus and object that we have. And how many types of sentences we learn? Four types of sentences: assertive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence. So in the adjective sentence, you have two or three names you can call adjective sentence or affirmative sentence or determined sentence. What is the structure for that? Subject plus verb or verb plus yes or verb plus es plus object. In the negative sentence, what is the structure for that? Yes, subject plus auxiliary verb. Like for example, you can take one example. She drives a car. Yesterday we have taken. She drives a car. She does not drive a car. Does she drive a car? Does she not drive a car? This is the pattern what we learned in the previous class. So now here the structure is what? What is the structure here? Subject plus verb or verb plus es plus object. So now here, if you select the subject as the plural one, you are using do. Subject plus do plus yes, not not plus verb plus ing. So here subject in singular, subject plus does plus not not plus verb plus plain verb plus object. So next in the interrogative sentence, you are going to start your sentence with the auxiliary verb. Does plus subject plus plain verb. At the end you are the plus object and at the end you are having the punctuation mark of question mark. So in the last one is a negative interrogative. So subject plus and what is not plus here the fourth one negative interrogative, the structure will start like that: auxiliary verb do or does plus and what is not plus subject plus and the rest of the sentence what we are having, that is object or complementary object. At the end we are having question mark. So we are having these four types of sentences in all the four forms. In simple present tense we are having four forms. Present tense we have the four forms: simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So like here in the simple present and past tense also we have the same forms. Simple present, so simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous we are going to practice now. What is the structure for this simple past tense? Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. So you see here the simple past tense is used for an action which happened at a particular time in the past. See the example, you take the verb play. Already we discussed there are four types of sentences: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence. Affirmative sentence is I played, I did not play, did I play, did I not play. But in the present tense what we have done in these four sentences, there we are using their do or does. What is the past form of the do or does? Did. So we are using the did here. I played well, I did not play well, did I play well, did I not play well. So you can apply the same type of structure here in the past tense, but here you have to select the second form of the verb for the structure. Next, past continuous. So here the action is going to be continued. What is the structure here? Subject plus was or were plus plain verb plus ing plus object. So here what you are going to use subject, whatever the subject you are taking, it may be a singular or plural. If it is a singular, you can use was. If it is a plural, you have to use were. So here, for example, she was drawing pictures. Oh, she was drawing pictures a minute ago, like that. They were playing games. Yes, they were playing games last week. Something you can write like in the past event. So here the past continuous always will come with the simple past tense. So one is a longer action, one is a shorter action. Longer action is always in the past continuous and shorter action is in the simple past. So here you see the past continuous tense is used for an action which was happening at the particular time in the past. So, like in the previous pattern, affirmative sentence. Boys were playing, boys were not playing, were boys playing, were boys not playing. Now, past perfect tense. See, you see here, past, what is the structure here? Had plus third form. So, whatever it may be the subject, singular or plural, the common auxiliary verb we are using had. So, now you take, already we have taken the verb of play. So what is the third form? Play, played, played. So they had played, they had not played, had they played, had they not played. When do we use past perfect? You see here. Perfect means completed. Already completed actions are going to be taken here. The past perfect tense is used to express an action that was completed before another action started in the past. It is used with the earlier actions. The simple past tense is used with other action. Once again, you see here subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. So that is the structure of the past perfect tense. So like here, Sheila had played because we have selected the verb play. Sheila had played. Sheila had not played. Had Sheila played. Had Sheila not played. You apply the same with the help of the plural subject. So you can take they had played, they had not played, had they played, had they not played. And you take another type of verb, run, ran, run. So again you may get the same word. They had run, they had not run, had they run, had they not run. Like you take another, you take another example of your choice and apply the same type of structure to that one and write all these four sentences. Now the last one in the present in the past is this is the fourth form, past perfect continuous tense. So here the structure is here had been plus verb plus ing plus object, subject plus verb plus. Here you need to add verb plus v1 plus had been plus verb plus ing you need to enter. So had been, you enter ing for this one. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. So the past perfect continuous is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that point. So now you see the example. Already we have taken the verb play. So we are using playing here. Now you see. Rina had been playing. Ria had been playing. Ria had not been playing. Had Ria been playing. Had Ria not been playing. The same structure we are using. So here when you are using this particular one, structure is very important. Once again, we are going to check how we have developed our structure in the past tense. So in past tense, how many forms we are having? Four forms. So like that, simple past is there, past continuous is there, past perfect is there, past perfect continuous. Four forms are there. So now you check your knowledge here. So simple past tense. What we are doing simple past tense. What is the structure here? Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. So in the simple past tense is used for an action which happened a particular time in the past. How many types of sentences are there? Four types of sentences: affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative sentence. So what are the other two names for affirmative sentence? Assertive sentence or determined sentence you can write. So here what is the structure for this here? Suppose if you are using plural form, then you can use we have been. If it is a singular, she has been playing. Like you can use the same thing. Past continuous we are going to practice. Past continuous, here the structure is the subject plus was or were plus v1 plus ing. So that is the structure, and here you check your knowledge. So you take another example of earlier we had a practice on the verb play. Now you take another one, read or write. Take a comfortable verb first for the practice. That is a write. She was writing, she was not writing, was she writing, was she not writing. Like that you can convert. Okay, he was playing, that he was playing, he was not playing, was he playing, was he not playing. That is our actual sentence in the practice. To choose another one, jump. It was jumping, it was not jumping, was it jumping, was it not jumping. Like if you practice, you can write well and good sentences in the past continuous. Now here you see, this is the pattern what we practiced. Boys were playing, boys were not playing, were boys playing, were boys not playing. And you see the past perfect tense. Here the structure is a had plus third form, and all the completed actions are going to be in this particular tense. Perfect means completed. She had completed, she had not completed, had she completed, had she not completed. That is the application. Now already we have done the practice with the help of the verb play, and she had played, she had not played, and had she played, had she not played, like that. You take another one and you can apply the same type of this particular structure, and then it is easy for you to develop your ideas to write in the past perfect. So you can write small stories with the help of this past perfect. Now you see the other one. So here Sheila had played, had not played, had Sheila. So now you check your past perfect. This is the last form of this verb. Subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Here ing was missed and we had to add. The past perfect continuous tense is used for the an action that began with the other. So like in the previous, we are having the model. You check Ria had been played, had not been played, and had she been playing. So this is the form. So in the next session, we are going to watch. In the next session, we are going to learn future perfect continuous.